Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to write the first code in Python. So let's get started with today's video. The first thing that I want to mention here is in the previous video, that is in lesson 1, I taught you how to download and install Python in your system as well as download and install VS Code in your system, right? Now, while I was writing code in Python yesterday, I figured this out that I was facing some issue while running the code of Python in the terminal, right? So for that, the solution of that problem is I'm straightly starting with the solution of that problem, okay? Because the same problem you will also face. So for that, I'm starting with the solution of that problem, okay? So for that, you have to go to the Microsoft Store. If you are in Windows, then you will face this problem. You will definitely face this problem, okay? So you have to go to this Microsoft Store and make sure you search for Python over there, okay? And here you will get a couple of different options over there. You can see 3.8, 3.7, 3.11, 3.12. Now, at this point of time, if you're watching this video after a long time, then your version might be different. But in this case, my version of Python is 3.12, which is the recent version of Python. So what you have to do is basically you can go to your browser and search for python.org, and you go to the download section and find out that what version of Python is currently going on in the market. So it's 3.12.2 over here. So in my case, it's 3.12.2, right? Now in your case, it might be something different, okay? So it doesn't really matter. Whatever version is going on, make sure you note that version and you go to this Microsoft Store and you will find that version of Python listed over here, okay? So here in this case, it's 3.12 in my case. Click on that version, okay? And you will get a get button over here, or maybe somewhere around here. I'm going to show you with some different option because I've already installed this. You can see it's written as installed. Over here it's written as installed. So I've already installed it. So in your case, if the version is something different, then if you go to this version, you will find this get button over here. Actually, the resolution of my screen is increased a bit. So here the button of the get button is showing over here actually, but your get button might show over here in somewhere around here, okay? So click on that get button and make sure you install this latest version of Python from Microsoft Store itself, okay? Then only you will be able to run the Python code in your VS Code, okay? So make sure you do this and then you follow this video, okay? Okay, now what I want you to do is make a folder in your desktop. So right click, new folder, and name this folder as Python or whatever you want. I'm going to name it as Python, and right click on this folder and open with code. You will get this option, open with code. Click on this and this will straight away open the folder in VS Code, okay? So you can see it's written as Python over here. So that means this folder is opened inside VS Code. Now click on this button, new file, and this will add a new file, okay? Name the file whatever you want, but make sure the extension of the file is .py, okay? So I'm going to name it as app.py, okay? So make sure this extension is .py, okay? Hit enter and this will make a new file for you, okay? Now here we will write our first code in Python, but before that, you can see here there is an option shown over here. There is a message that is shown over here, which is select interpreter. Click on this option and make sure you select this recent recommended option that is over here. It is written as recommended. Click on that option and this will select the Python interpreter, okay? Make sure you follow this step, okay? Otherwise you will face the issues and you will come to the comment section and you will tell me that, hey, this is not working, okay? So if you are facing the same issue, then you make sure you do these steps, okay? And now we will write the first program in Python. So I'm going to close this Explorer over here. So click on this Explorer button. It will close the Explorer, and I'm also going to hide the taskbar as well so that you can watch the video properly, okay? Now I'm going to write the first code in Python. For that, I want you to write print and open and close the parenthesis. So this is the first program in Python. So print, open and close parenthesis. So this is called as a print function, okay? Now what is the function that we will learn later on because it's an advanced topic. So right now for the beginner level, we want to print a hello world message in the terminal, okay? So I want you to write print and open and close parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, make sure you write a inverted comma, open and close inverted comma, okay, and between this open and close inverted comma you write a message. Now what message you want to write, that's up to you. In this case I want to write hello world. Okay, hello world. So this is a very basic message that is always started when you are starting with programming. So this is a basic message that you need to print in your terminal. You know, you can print you can print something else as well. Okay, so in my case I'm going to print hello world, but make sure you write the message in the middle of these double quotation. Okay, so this is the print function. This is the entire print function, which is written by writing the print keyword and this two parentheses, open and close parentheses, and inside that we write this open and close inverted comma, and between that we write a message. Okay, now I am hoping that you are starting up with programming and you don't know anything, that's why I'm explaining so much to you. Okay, so basically what we are going to do is run this program. How to run this program? So you will find the button control and tilde. The tilde sign is below the escape button. You will find that tilde sign, or that's also called as backtick. Okay, so you will find that backtick button below the escape button of your keyboard. So press control and the backtick, and this will open up the terminal over here. Okay, and now I want you to type Python 3 space the name of the file. Here in this case it's app.py, and hit enter, and you will see this code beautifully runs and prints hello world in my terminal. Okay, now here using this print function you can print anything you want in the terminal. In this case I showed you hello world. Now let me try out with something else. So print, I'm gonna type a different message, that hi, I am Raj. Okay, and if you run this, hit enter, and you will see it's printed as hi, I am Raj. It also prints the previous command as well, because I did not disable this command. So these two are printed in the terminal, right? Okay, so that's how you write the first program in Python. Now you can also perform some mathematical calculation using this print function. So if I type print and open and close parentheses, and here I type 5 plus 10, if I write, and if I run this program, you will see 15 is printed in the terminal. So using this print function we can not only print messages, text messages, but also we can perform some mathematical calculations. Now we will see these things later on in the course. So in the next video I'm going to show you something else, and we will slowly go on to the advanced stuffs. Okay, so I hope you understood the video and you followed the entire video from first to last. Okay, thanks a lot if you made it till here. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.